In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The false claim by Pakistan's regime regarding the capture of an area in Dari, the district of Paktika. The telephone conversation between the Prime Minister of the Islamic Emirate and the Prime Minister of Malaysia on regional incidents. And meeting between the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia and the President of Ukraine. Welcome to the news package. It's Saturday, the 10th of Shawn al-Mu'azzam, 1447, the 8th of Hamal, 1405, and the 28th of March, 2026. The news details. Mari Khan Sadiq, the Deputy Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, visited yesterday an area in Dari, the district of Paktika province, where certain pages affiliated with Pakistan's military regime had circulated false propaganda claiming its capture. The Minister of National Defense emphasized that the area remains fully under the control of the Afghan Defense Forces, dismissing the enemy's reports as baseless. Based on the ministry, Afghan forces remain firmly committed to defending the country's territorial integrity and will never relinquish even a single inch of their land. Mullah Muhammad Hassan Khan, the Prime Minister of the Islamic Emirate, held a telephone conversation with Anwar Ibrahim regarding regional political events, particularly the recent situation between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Mullah Muhammad Hassan Khan stressed that the Islamic Emirate believes in resolving issues through mutual understanding and cooperation. He added that Afghanistan demonstrated its goodwill by halting the offensive operation during Eid al-Fitr at the request of Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Qatar. He further stated that violence benefits no party, and that wisdom and rationality must guide efforts to resolve disputes. The Prime Minister also expressed concern over rising regional tensions following the attacks by the United States and Israel on Iran. The news continuation. Following heavy rainfall and flooding in recent days in the Helmand province, significant financial losses have been inflicted on local residents. Officials from the Department of Information and Culture in Helmand reported that in the districts of Narsaraj, Sengin, Nowzad, Babaji, and Musaqla, 78 houses and hundreds of acres of agricultural land have been destroyed, while dozens of livestock have perished. Authorities confirmed that affected individuals were safely relocated to secure areas in a timely manner. And ultimately, Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, has met with Volodymyr Zelensky. In accordance with Saudi press agency, the two sides discussed bilateral relations, recent regional incidents, particularly the ongoing tensions in Middle East and the crisis in Ukraine. This comes as President Zelensky had earlier stated that Ukraine had deployed hundreds of drone specialists to Gulf region to assist in countering and neutralizing Iranian drones. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.